Welcome back to Keely has a panic attack quietly inside. Hey, I'm Keely from Thermaltake Australia. Yesterday was my cat's birthday and today I'm building my sister's PC from Frankenstein parts. Oh boy. I haven't built a PC before. This is my first time. I'm a little bit nervous, but I feel like I've totally got this and it's gonna be fine. Today, we're taking some bits from my brother's very, very old system. It's been handed down from like my dad to my brother, and then it was just sitting in the garage for a couple of years. So it's very, very dusty, very old. Apparently this is a Thermaltake case. I didn't even know that. Whoops. Oh, I've got another very old graphics card. I can't tell you what it is. It says Gigabyte on it and Wind Force. It was very dusty. Also got a motherboard. It's a B550. This is one of the good ones that I got from my sister's husband. He donated some old parts, including this and the CPU, which is an AMD Ryzen 3950X. Yep. This is going to be a great video. I'm also going with the ARGB Snow all-in-one, that's the word, and a very old Thermaltake power supply. This was also already in this case, so we're just going to reuse it because there's nothing wrong with reusing old parts. I've got a Fire Cuda Seagate SSD and Thermaltake RAM. This is not a gaming PC, if you haven't noticed from the parts. It's very much a workstation. She's literally just going to use it for work. But we thought, why not give her something nice to work on? So we're using the S300 mid-tower case for the build today. It's pretty nice. I went for the snow edition.
Hey! Just jumping in real quick to let you know that a lot of you guys are sadly not subscribed to our channel, and we would love to have you join our community here. So if you haven't already, please give us a bit of a subscribe and join in. We do lots of cool videos like builds, funny videos, tech videos. So yeah, join our community and see you soon.
Anyway, I'm going to start with the motherboard because I feel like that's the safe bet. Maybe, and probably where people start. I'm going to start by installing the CPU very carefully to not break the pins. It's got a little boy, like, little arrow on him to tell you where to install him, with a little arrow on this, but hang on, is that a second arrow? There's like a little gold boy arrow here to tell me where to put it. Oh, fuck. I mean, very down. Oh, heck. Okay, I think he's... I'm pretty sure he's in the right... Jono, can you confirm, please? Just... Oh! Made a noise. Looking at the pins, I do think it's correct. It just made a clicky noise when I undid it. Okay, that's done, yay! Part one. I'm gonna install the M.2. So I'm just slotting this in with the little prongy bits to the correct prongy bits, but also like it can only go one way. And it's got the little screwy hole boy. All right, he's nice and tight. That's done. Woo, part two. Okay, next easiest part is RAM. I've done RAM before. It was one of the first things I did. We were doing a video and Sarah or Jono was like, do you want to install some RAM? And I'm like, heck yeah. Let's click that RAM in, and then I put it in the wrong way. So I was off to a great start. Is that right? Yeah, that looks correct. It will just snap in, and you won't be able to put it in properly if it... That sounds like it snapped in properly, and it looks like it snapped in properly. So I'm gonna say that it snapped in properly. That's that done. I'm not that weak, I was playing it up. So I don't want to mix them up, because knowing me, I'll mix them up and break something. Because everything I touch turns to broken. Oh, I mean, it's fine. Oh, it's fine, I had it totally under control. I'm gonna do the power supply first. Is that correct? We'll find out. Is there an order, or like an actual order you should be doing things? Maybe. Wait a minute. Is this gonna fit?
One eternity later.
This is gonna make some great viewing. Anyone who knows what they're doing needs to turn this video off, so you don't flame me in the comments, please. This video is not meant for you. Okay, the cool thing about taking a PSU from a pre-build means it has to VGA card and to PSU on it, on the cables. Oh God, I hope it doesn't matter which one they go in. Are they their little... Nope, they're all the same. Okay, let's put that one in the top. There. Yay. Heck yeah, look at me go. I'm basically a computer building god. I'm now gonna put the motherboard in there. So I'm gonna need to lay it flat. Now, you want to line up the IO boy to the IO hole boy for him. So probably like that. And then like there's the little raisy boys that you put the screws in. So want to line that up as well. Yeah, sick. We're lined up. Oh, check out that shaky hand. All right, we got this. Yay, something with instructions. That's the warranty policy. That's the Intel installation guide, which we're not doing. We're doing the AMD installation guide. Oh heck. Please remove the stock AMD mounting bracket first. That's this thing. Okay, I should follow the instructions, kids. Or adults, whoever's watching. And I have chosen the wrong screwed configuration. Are we surprised? No. Am I disappointed? Yes. Just so it doesn't fall out completely while I try to... Oh boy, she fell out. Oh, there's a sticker boy. What? And then it goes in between this and the motherboard. Okay, I'm sure that's fine. I'm sure that's correct. Oh. It does hold it in. We're good guys, we're on it. We're on to something now. And now I can take my hands away and it stays there. Perfect. Okay, cool. Screw boy off. And then do like a pea-sized, ooh. That's enough here. It's like a pea-sized amount. So I'm pretty sure that's gonna be enough because you don't wanna do too much because otherwise if you do too much, it'll spread out the edges and can like ruin your CPU and stuff. And that's not what you wanna do, man. That's not what you wanna do. That's expensive. Am I just turning it the wrong way? What is going on here? What? Yeah, there we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Cool. Alrighty, so I've installed the fans. And now we're actually going to mount the rad on the top of the case. I just keep like dropping the screw. Final tightening is done. My hands hurt. My ego hurts. The screws have almost defeated me. But we're good. And the instructions say that I have to like boop, boop, boop with the cables. I don't know what boop, boop, boop means, but it means something important. Like a cable comes out of the fan and then you plug the fan cable into the next fan cable and then into the cooler cable. Like it's all a cooler, technically. Yes, that's the bit that the things are plugging into. Indeed, okay. All right, we just got back from lunch but in the meantime, I found out where this goes. It's not this, it's up here. Like up here. So, you slot this bad boy. Yeah, boy, I got him. He's in. I hope it's the correct one. So we put it there for now. And I think that's done. I think I'm now gonna install the graphics card. So we took the protective buoy off. And now I'm going to pop him on his back again. Because I don't know, Jono did that a lot in the video that I filmed of him doing things, so I'm just gonna assume that's what you do. Okay, we got one out. Yay! Okay, those boys are out. These boys are out. Okay, there it is. Graphics card. Goes in your little slutty boy thing. There. Whoop. Click. That's what you want. Cool. Okay, now I'm putting the back brackety boy, the safety boy, back in. I'm gonna cable manage now and like plug things in, obviously. At the same time, where do I start with this? Who knows? I guess we'll figure it out while I'm plugging things in. I know the 24-pin cable goes to the 24-pin slot, obviously. Damn, how many cables are there? This is probably all the screws that I've needed for this entire build.
Yes.
Probably should have grabbed this first. Haha. So it goes in like this. Cool. And he's in there. Yay, step one. There's the graphics card couplers, which are the cables that say VGA do this or something. To VGA. Yeah, that looks about right. Yes, okay, so that's the correct number of pins. So it goes like that. And then like that. Yay! The graphics card now has power. So I called in my second lifeline to get the cables in, the CPU powery boys, this one's. I got there, but I did need help. It was a bit of a pain. We changed the holes. So we're moving on. Oh, he goes there. Yeah, he goes in there 3.2, but that just says 3.0. Boy, got it. What's this one? This one says HD audio, and I know where that one went because I just did that too. Or it's like next to the USB boy. So that's another one, bites the dust. There's more system fan buttons. Here's the section. There's like P, LED, HD, PW, reset, C1, there. Oh, that's the microphone on my head again, right there. I've got one left. I can do this, it's fine. It's fine. Stop doubting me. I gotta call it in. I gotta call in for help.
Okay, you're so close there.
I know, I'm so close. Got fans left, this fan, and this one. Whoop. And then I got these two. That goes in there. And then this one goes in here. Let's give it a go. Time for okay, the base power is on. Here we go, please. Yeah, boys. I think I did it. Holy heck. I have a keyboard and a mouse now ready to do the thing. I've seen Jono do this a million times, but I don't know what he does. No boot device found. Huh? It's done. I did it. I done did it. I did done it. Done diddles. Honestly, easier than I expected. I kind of thought I would stumble more. I'm glad that I had you to come and pop in and like do a couple things, but it wasn't too bad. I actually had fun. Like, you can fix it. Don't do something stupid with like the CPU and like make sure you take the plastic and stuff off. Like, I've seen lots of stuff about people saying that like, oh, you don't have to be as delicate as you think you need to be. And that's true. Like, there are quite a few things where I was obviously too delicate with, like the SSD, and it didn't work because I didn't do it properly. Try and think about what order you're gonna do things in, because I didn't. And then I found that I put myself in a tougher spot than I probably needed to. I'm not good at answering questions without saying like all the time. All right, so that was me building for the first time. We went from this to the lovely S300, all built and pretty and lovely. Overall, I thought it was actually, like, it wasn't too bad. There were definitely some stumbling blocks that had me a little bit, but they weren't terrifying. Like, I didn't feel like I was gonna break anything. It was a pretty simple build, so I look forward to doing something a little bit more challenging in future. But yeah, if you liked the video, give us a like. Let me know how I did in my first non-scripted kind of video. It was quite the journey. But yeah, like the video, comment what your favourite part was, or if you think I did anything, what would you do differently, I guess. That'd be cool. Yeah, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you have, that's pretty fab. But if you haven't, please do it. Please. Oh no, wait, before the videos, there's 2 videos around here somewhere. Click on them, watch them. Maybe I'll be on them, maybe not. Probably Sarah. Watch them. Okay, bye. Are we just gonna, like, do you want me to do it again?
No, that's good.
Was it?